As a father of 4, I have shared the responsibility for raising our now adult kids with a marvelous spouse and also with a community of relatives, friends, neighbors, teachers, coaches, church counselors, doctors, and so on. Certainly the parenting experience has, for me, been one of the most challenging and yet rewarding of life experiences. And the love, joy, and worry doesn't change as these kids grow up. I remember hearing my dad utter a similar comment. I should add, some couples elect not to do the parent thing, knowing the call to parenting is something they simply do not want to take on. I believe that option is a reasonable decision, as parenting can be more demanding and heartbreaking than any other experience in life. There's something about human nature so powerful that a parent would rather give up her or his own life than see their child suffer. And as a physician, I have had to watch parents helpless at the bedside with their sick or dying child. It turns my blood cold to see it. But most parents would probably agree the joy is worth the risk. As Garth Brooks sings, I could have missed the pain, but I'd have had to miss the dance. This overwhelming wish to parent doesn't always bring babies, however. We know that, try as they might, something like 12% of women in the childbearing age have trouble getting or staying pregnant, and that infertility is caused 1/3 of the time by male problems, 1/3 by female, and 1/3 by a combination. Many of these couples still become fertile, sometimes by simply improving lifestyles of both the mother and the father, such as avoiding smoke, exercising more, but not too much, eating better, and maybe just giving it more time. After that, sometimes an exploration for causes, followed by complex and often expensive treatment with medicinal and surgical methods, is required. Well, the final and maybe most important point is this. If these methods don't work, there is always adoption. As a parent of one adopted child, I can say that the love, the joy, and the worry is exactly the same as the non-adoption kind of parenting. So for all those yearning for a child, remember that there are parentless kids out there who could really benefit from somebody like you. Garth Brooks' words would work just the same. I could have missed the pain, but I'd have had to miss the dance.